Life is a game and we're all alike. Some think it's fate, that's the secret to your prosper. Playfair is the hero and the rest can take a hike. Playfair तुम्हारे लिए, Playfair हमारे लिए, Playfair तुम्हारे लिए, Playfair हमारे लिए, Playfair हम सबके लिए. It always pays to play fair. It always pays to play fair. It always pays to play fair. Yeah. Hard work comes through grit. You gotta do it. Playfair is hard work. You gotta get it right. Say no to all the lazy and the cheesy. Emerge as the winner every day and night. Playfair तुम्हारे लिए, Playfair हमारे लिए, Playfair तुम्हारे लिए, Playfair हमारे लिए, Playfair हम सबके लिए. It always pays to play fair. When everyone is honest, Playfair is honesty, works like it's promised. One size fits all in honesty, the universal truth, the best policy. Playfair तुम्हारे लिए, Playfair हमारे लिए, Playfair तुम्हारे लिए, Playfair हमारे लिए, Playfair हम सबके लिए. It always pays to play fair. Of the values on this planet is for everyone to give and take respect. Respect is the highest compensation, lets you survive in the biggest complication. Playfair तुम्हारे लिए, Playfair हमारे लिए, Playfair तुम्हारे लिए, Playfair हमारे लिए, Playfair हम सबके लिए. It always pays to play fair. Playfair is pride and you can enjoy the ride and feel like a winner in the follow through. With pride you can take that walk, your head held high in the sky like a hawk. Playfair तुम्हारे लिए, Playfair हमारे लिए, Playfair तुम्हारे लिए, Playfair हमारे लिए, Playfair हम सबके लिए. It always pays to play fair. Have a master key. Salute to humanity. World peace for global sanity. Playfair तुम्हारे लिए, Playfair हमारे लिए, Playfair तुम्हारे लिए, Playfair हमारे लिए, Playfair हम सबके लिए. It always pays to play fair. every time. Equality is what the world just needs. Now we're all set to give it the big wow. Play fair तुम्हारे लिए, play fair हमारे लिए, play fair तुम्हारे लिए, play fair हमारे लिए, play fair हम सब के लिए. It always pays to play fair. At you, play fair is care, so go and spread the love. Care for all of them things around you. The universe will give you love, and that's true. Play fair तुम्हारे लिए, play fair हमारे लिए, play fair तुम्हारे लिए, play fair हमारे लिए, play fair हम सब के लिए. It always pays to play fair. Play fair is now all of that. Do your bit and wear it like a hat. Hard work, honesty and some pride. Kick it in and let it be your guide. Respect, honor and equality will take care of you for eternity. Universal brotherhood and prosperity is the way to be for you and me. Let's take an oath of solidarity, for play fair is the future-proof way to be. Every time you practice play fair philosophy, a large part of you is getting future ready. You gain a superhero personality. Captain Tomorrow is what you come to be. Now who is Captain Tomorrow, you come asking me? A Gen X man fighting for all to agree, building competency for all of humanity. So come on now, put all your hands together. Captain Tomorrow will join us like a single feather. Yo, Captain Tomorrow, the play fair ideology. You're the mascot of all games and you're just like me. Yeah.